Hello guys, how are we doing? I don't know what's happened, but I actually cannot stop shopping for clothes. Like, someone actually send help. This is my second haul of the day that I'm filming. I've just got done filming a PLT haul, which you will have seen already by now, I think. I don't actually know when this is going up. Do you know what? I'm on such a roll with filming videos at the minute. Like, I'm filming so much content for you guys, so I really hope you're all enjoying it. But yeah, as you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be a autumn winter try on clothing haul. So these are all things that I've personally purchased and picked up on ASOS and H&M over the past week. Yeah, everything is ASOS or H&M. I will be listing everything down below as always. Honestly, I just love everything in this haul. I have actually already done the try on clips and tried everything on and sent back the stuff that I'm not keeping. So this is literally just stuff that I absolutely love and will definitely be keeping and wearing, bar one thing that I do need your guys' advice on because I can't decide whether to keep it or not. But yeah, that is what today's video is going to be. As I have said like 101 times, I am just so ready for like autumn winter fashion now. Like, I just love it. So yeah, I've literally got a big fat box of clothes here. So I think I'm gonna start with ASOS and then do H&M. Obviously everything on ASOS is different brands, so I'll go through, and if I know what brand it is I'll say, but as I said, if not, everything will be listed down below with links. First thing that I picked up is a little roll neck top. I'm not actually sure if this is ASOS own or a brand, but as I said, it will be down below. As you can tell from what I'm wearing, like when it comes to autumn winter, I just love wearing like high necks, like roll necks. I just think they're so cozy. Like, they go with so many different things. You can layer them in so many different ways. So this one is just like a really light grey. I actually have a pair of PLT joggers that are a very similar shade of grey to this that I thought would look really cute. So yeah, it's just a high neck or like a roll neck, I guess, because you can fold it down, which you will see in the try on clip, and it is a top and not a bodysuit, which I actually really like because I feel like you could tuck it into like a bra or a crop top or like a bralette underneath as well and make it like a crop top instead of just like a normal length top, if that makes sense. Kind of have this in mind for joggers, jeans, leather skirts, like that kind of vibe. Really love the colour, and I love the fact that it's like a mild grey as well. And then this again is like a little roll neck top. This is like probably one of my favourite things. It's so simple, but it's the softest material ever. Like, it's so soft and so comfortable on. It's like a really fine knit, and I really like the colour of this one. It's kind of like a taupey like camel colour, but it's not super dark. It's more of like a nudie beige, which I really love. Again, it is just a roll neck, normal kind of length top. So again, you could tuck this into jeans, you could tuck this into joggers, tuck it into a skirt, or you could wear it like tucked into a bralette and make it a crop top as well, which I really love. So just two like basic tops to kind of mix and match with everything is what I'm trying to say. Okay, and then probably my favorite piece in this haul, like no exaggeration, this skirt I have literally fallen in love with. So I'm pretty sure I paired these together in the try on clip because I feel like they go really nice. I love wearing like different shades of nude or different shades of grey like all together as one outfit. But this is just like a little camel skirt. Sizing on this was a little bit weird online because it was European sizing, and I didn't really know what size to get. So I'm pretty sure I got an EU 36 in this. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. I will list it down below when I do the links and things. But the thing I really love about this is it's super high-waisted. It's a nice length, like it's not too short, because skirts, especially in winter time, I'm quite tall and have quite long legs, so I get worried that like if it's a short skirt, A, I'm just gonna get cold in it, B, it's just too short for winter in Manchester anyway and whatever else. But this is honestly perfect. I love the shape of it. I feel like you can kind of see like here how it kind of like dips in on the waist and then goes out. It hugs your body so nicely. I'm pretty sure it was quite expensive for a skirt. I want to say it was like £50, which is a lot for a skirt, but I mean, it is and it isn't. I feel like you definitely pay for the quality, and honestly just the colour, the fit, everything about this hands down is one of my favourite things in this video. And then kind of random, I'm pretty sure this was only like £10, but I picked up this little skirt, which is just like obviously kind of like a high-waisted mild grey bodycon skirt. It's like a knitted material, so it's nice and stretchy. I did get this in the tall section as well, and it's absolutely perfect in terms of the length. Really nice and fitted on the waist, which is amazing. I kind of just got this just to like layer with things, or say if I was wearing like if I want to wear a shirt dress, but it's like maybe like more of a shirt than a shirt dress, just to like put under that, just to kind of layer and mix and match with different things. It was only £10, so it was quite a bargain, and it's really, really thick and like good quality, which I really like. Okay, and then next up, so I was kind of just shopping for skirts because it sounds weird, but like autumn and winter is like one of my favorite times to wear skirts, because I feel like you can layer them in so many ways with like over-knee boots and tights and whatever else. And when I was looking in the skirt section of ASOS, I came across this, which is from Lavish Alice. I've never really had anything that is this style, where it's like a corset. It's like an underbust corset kind of. So I feel like you can get these as like corset tops and also as dresses, which is what this is. But obviously it kind of classes more as a skirt because it's not a full dress. Kind of had this in mind to wear with like a roll neck top that is like white, or some sort of like long sleeve top that is white with like an oversized coat. I paired it in the try on clip with this, which ignore it in the try on clip because these don't really match at all. Like I kind of had this in mind for something white or cream, but I didn't have anything else to try it on with, which is why I had to pair it with this one instead. But the fit of this, oh my god, it's absolutely gorgeous. I kind of like ummed and ahed about it because it was like £70. But I mean, I'm saying all of this, there was actually 20% off ASOS at the time, so I feel like I got everything for a decent price. But just the fit of this, like it really zips up and just like snatches your waist, makes like your hips look nice and like curvy. Like it just is so beautiful on. But yeah, I just absolutely love this. I just think it's gorgeous. It's a really nice like pinky nude color as well. Okay, and then next up I got this little cardigan set, which is from Bershka. So they did quite a lot of these in summertime that were more like whites and floral colors, and then this color came out, which is like this really cute like beige taupey color. So it consists of like a cardigan and a bralette, which looks like so, and obviously the idea is you can either layer them or you can wear like one without the other. I'm pretty sure in the try on clip I showed you them together, and then I showed you this by itself. Can I just say, this is the softest cotton. Is it? I mean, it must be cotton, but it's like brushed cotton, kind of like what this is from PLT, and it's just so nice on the skin. I got the bralette in a small, so I actually had an issue because I thought I'd ordered them together, but I accidentally only ordered the bralette. So I got the bralette in a small, but then I got the cardigan in a medium because once I'd realised the small had kind of sold out. But it still fits really well. Obviously with it being like a cardigan, it pretty much like fits no matter what. But yeah, I just love these together to go with a pair of like joggers or like little like jersey like shorts, if that makes sense, from like PLT, or jeans. I feel like this would look really cute as well. Okay, and then I've got another skirt that I have to be honest, I kind of like debated about, but again I just thought this would be really cute in Paris. So this is just like a little it's kind of like a quilted skirt. Sorry, I've not done the belt up properly. It's from a brand called Fashion Union. I got this in a size 8. It's just like a little A-line mini skirt, again to go with like heels and like a little roll neck top for like Paris or something, or just like at home with like boots or whatever. I kind of like was undecided because I feel like I've got the camel skirt and I really love that, so I don't really need this. But I did still really quite like the fit of it, and I like the fact that it's a bit of a paler nude. I just don't know if I'm really going to get much use out of this compared to the other skirts. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, which skirt you prefer, because I'm kind of like, do I keep it or do I send it back? I feel like I might be keeping it just for the sake of it. And then next up, just something really simple. This is just a big chunky jumper. You can't go wrong with like chunky knitwear in autumn and winter, in my opinion. Like it's just an essential. It's just like a grey, like a light grey kind of silvery colour, which I really like. And it's got a really big chunky neck, which I absolutely love. So just something simple to pair with like jeans and leggings and things like that. Okay, and then last but not least from ASOS, I got a jumper dress. So jumper dresses for me are always like hit and miss because sometimes they come and they're like way too short. This one is absolutely perfect. So again, it's kind of more of that lighter grey colour. I have a lot of knitwear in this colour just because it's literally one of my favourite colours to wear in the winter time. Again, it's got quite a chunky neckline, but the thing that I really liked about this was the sleeves. They're kind of like balloon sleeves, so they're cuffed on the wrist, but they're just really really baggy and big. I meant to say really big then, but I was going to say really baggy, so it turned out as really bag. They're really big and baggy and oversized, which I like, and the actual fit of this is quite oversized. I kind of wish I got a size down, so I got a 10, I kind of wish I got an 8. I size up in jumper dresses because I worry that they're going to be short, but this one was absolutely fine in terms of the length. So yeah, I really love that. It's really cute on just with a pair of like knee-high boots, which let me show you the boots that I got now. So in the try on clip, I did actually show you guys 2 pairs of leather boots that I picked up, which was this pair and a pair from Steve Madden. They were like oversized faux leather boots, but I mean, I showed you both just so that you can see both, and I'll link them down below still, even though I've sent them back. But I just felt like they were a little bit too tight for my legs, which is so annoying. Like, I feel like they were just, I think as well because they were kind of like more of a faux leather material, they were just quite like very hugging. They fit really well though, and I actually did really like the style of them. I just kind of thought like, especially for the price, because Steve Madden is quite expensive, I just like probably wouldn't get any use out of them. I did keep these ones though. So these ones they're actually from the wide fit range on ASOS. Anyone that knows me knows that me and my feet have issues with shoes because my feet are wide as fuck. But yeah, I really like these. I kind of like more of a knee-high boot anyway, as opposed to an over-knee boot at the minute. It's kind of what I was wearing last autumn winter as well. I have a couple of pairs from Misguided that I really love, that are more of like this length, so they don't go over the knee, they kind of just sit just below. They've got this little gold detail on the back, and it's quite a small and like comfy heel, which is what I wanted, because I feel like this boot especially is more of like a daytime boot, and if I'm going to be wearing these in the day, I don't want to be uncomfortable. But these are super comfortable because they're not too high, and they're nice and like roomy because they're wide. Really like the pointed toe as well, and like the crocodile effect. So yeah, I really love those to go with like jumper dresses, skirts, that kind of vibe. Hey, and then on to H&M. So this is the coat that I probably am gonna send back. I wanted to show you guys anyway. I'm probably gonna go into H&M today and exchange it for something, or just like return it. But this coat, I saw it on the website and absolutely fell in love with it. I just thought it was so gorgeous. It's like a wool blend coat, and it is actually recycled wool as well, which I think is amazing. So I ordered this in a small. My issue with this is it's just so big. Like, I knew it was going to be a big coat, but in terms of the actual fit, that is really big as well. Like, obviously it's a long coat and it's like more of like a trench coat style, so it is kind of like, it looks big on, but the actual width of it and stuff as well is just really big, if that makes any sense. Just so gorgeous, like so extra, so big, like especially with a top like this with like a roll neck, something really chunky, I feel like it would just look gorgeous. And then the other coat that I picked up, which I think I am keeping because I absolutely love this. This is more of like a shorter, like daytime, like really casual and easy to throw on coat. This again is kind of like a wool blend. This was a lot more affordable. That was the thing as well. That coat was expensive. I think it was like around £100. This one was more like £40 to £50, which is obviously like a lot more affordable. Just to go with like little skirts and knee-high boots, that kind of vibe, I feel like it would look super cute. And again, I really love the colour of this. And then the next thing that I picked up was a leather skirt. I'm pretty sure I got this in the sale, so it was only £10. Just like a little black leather skirt just to wear with tights. Obviously you could wear this out in the evenings as well with a pair of heels, but more so just for like, for example, those boots, I feel like that would go perfectly with this. It has got a slit in. The slit is a little bit bigger than I would like the slit to be, if I'm honest, but I still really like the skirt, and I feel like because it was only £10, like you can't really go wrong with it. It fits well, it looks cute on, it's not too short, and it is comfy, so really love that. And then I got a black jumper because you can never have too much knitwear in my opinion, and this jumper I actually had this jumper in mind for the skirt, so I feel like the two pair really well together. Just got a really chunky neckline again. It's a very like chunky knit, which I really like. And it is quite cropped, which I think is cute as well. So just to go with like leggings, jeans, skirts, that kind of vibe, you can never go wrong in my opinion. And then last but not least, I got a pair of like these cream trousers because these were actually paired with the long line coat on the website, and I absolutely fell in love with them. They're also part of the H&M Conscious range, so they're made out of 59% recycled polyester, which is obviously amazing. So really like these. They're super long, super like high-waisted and well fitted. They're just honestly so gorgeous on. The quality, the fabric, everything about them is just really cute. Just to go with like a little pair of like baby heels in the evening time, or even like a pair of white trainers and a big oversized coat like the way it was styled on the website. I feel like these would be perfect for that. But yeah, that is everything that I picked up from ASOS and H&M. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know what your favorite parts, your favorite pieces are even in the comments down below. I'm gonna get going anyway. I love you guys as always, and I will see you in the next one.